What is up, guys? This is Art of Coding. Today I'll show you what kind of text editors that you can use to manage your code, and what are the pros and cons on those text editors. Okay, and the text editor now I'm currently using. I'm currently using Visual Code as my default web text editor. I'm doing a PHP series, and for that I'm using Notepad, Sublime Text, which is good. I kind of prefer Sublime Text and Visual Code only because I'll show you why. Now you have several text editors that you can use. First one is Notepad++. This is the official site. You can go there and check that out. It's free, of course. You can download that. The current version is 7.6. Text editors. You can edit text. I mean, you can see in here they have a C++ program. IDE provides pretty decent functionalities, but the GUI it's not so much. I don't like Notepad++. Anyways, Sublime Text, however, is pretty awesome. I mean, I have been using that for quite a while now. It's pretty awesome. There's nothing wrong about it, but I chose Visual Code, which is pretty awesome. I kind of migrated from Sublime Text because Visual Studio provides you with more functionalities than Sublime Text. That's why I migrated from Sublime Text. And then you have Atom, which is also good, dark theme UI based text editor that you can use. This is their GUI, which is pretty awesome, and that's about it. These are the four main like trendy text editors that you can use. Especially a text editor. You can use a text editor to when you're doing especially if you are a web developer or front-end developer, back-end developer. It's pretty awesome to use a text editor like Sublime Text or Visual Code. Alright, and I'll show you a comparison between these text editors. Now you can see in here the Notepad++ is, and it's not so much. I mean, it has very poor user ratings, limited fans, and like that. But these two are ones that competing nowadays. Sublime Text is having a little upper hand than Visual Code, but also there you go. You have why developers choose Sublime Text. Sublime Text is pretty lightweight. I mean, I can agree with that. I mean, I have used Sublime Text. It's pretty damn lightweight. You can, it's pretty awesome. I mean, look at this. The GUI itself is pretty awesome. I mean, you can customize that using various materialized themes. So you have a very rich repositories. You can use. See, you can have material theme from Google. It's like Google like. It's pretty awesome. I'm using currently Monokai Soda. We have material Monokai, Ocean, OneBark. I mean, there's a lot of GUI, which is pretty awesome. I like that very much. Just stick to material Soda. That's Sublime Text, and this is Visual Code. This is Visual Code. It's taken a little bit of time, as you can see, not like Sublime Text. I'm not gonna show you guys this. This is my project. I don't want to see you guys. Oh shit! What is happening right now? Why did I hear that? This is Visual Code. As you can see, this is pretty much awesome because you have a integrated terminal in that. This is what I like about Visual Code, because you have that integrated terminal on that. That's pretty awesome when you're doing Node.js developments, because you need to work on Node.js, even Angular development. you need the command line. You need to access that node package management console, and even working with MongoDB and let's say Angular, yes, you have to generate some components using Angular. So this is pretty much handy when you don't have that. You have that integrated terminal. You can even do multiple terminals by clicking this button. This is pretty awesome. I just move on right now. This has a very rich library of extensions in here. You can say Angular snippets, and you have brackets. This is for colorize your brackets. This is very handy. And you have debuggers, and you have that as you saw earlier, you have that multi-line command line window, divided windows, so that you can work on multiple documents at the same time, which is pretty awesome. I mean, I like that very much. That's why I use Visual Code. And of course, the IntelliSense in Visual Code is pretty much awesome than Sublime Text. Sublime Text actually got that part a little, I don't like that part, because Sublime Text IntelliSense sucks. I agree with that, because it sucks a little. I mean, not like Visual Code. And yeah, in Visual Studio Code, it has good integration, which is faster than Atom. This faster than Atom. Visual Code is faster than Atom. And Notepad++, I also personally don't like that, so we can discard that. I mean, I don't like that. What the heck? You have a great community on Sublime Text. I can agree with that. See in here the IntelliSense. This is the part. I mean, this is super awesome. I like this IntelliSense part very much. I mean, that's awesome. And you can use this if you're like migrating from Sublime Text to Visual Code. You can use, if you're like in love with that Sublime Text UI, that green, blue, and red, those colors. I mean, I'm in love with those colors. So you can even use there's an extension in Visual Code to get that Sublime Text feel, so you can like hybridization that. It's pretty awesome. I like that one as well. Visual Code is from Microsoft. See, as you can see in here, these two are competing, like really competing. This is way off the league. Bye Notepad++. I think that's about it, guys. Short video. I'll give you another video on how to customize Sublime Text like this. Sublime Text doesn't come like this when you install. It's pretty, it's dark green, but it's not like this material. You don't have this sidebar, and you have that these icons. You have to download them using that repositories that they provide, which is very awesome. I'll bring you guys another video on that. Until then, have a pleasant day, and may the source be with you.